Father sells his own newly born daughter for 30,000 rupees. The man's name is Khorang Debarma. He sells off his baby while his wife was asleep. Incident occurred at Banchipara of Mungia Kami RD block under Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma's Legislative Assembly. On the one hand, the second phase of good governance is going on. On the other hand, it is being claimed in the administrative language that there has been a lot of development in the socio-economic system in the entire state. However, as much as it is coming in the light of publicity, but the reality is different from that. It has been proved once again in Banchipara under Mungia Kami RD block of Haldia ADC village under Telemura subdivision. Khorang Debarma, a resident of Banchipara, is so immersed in financial problems that he sold his 1.5-day-old daughter in exchange of rupees 30,000 in cash. It is also known that Khorang Debarma, the father of that girl child, has committed this crime by keeping his wife asleep. Currently, the helpless mother is going from door to door to get her daughter back. When the child's mother started running here and there like a helpless person and presented the history of the helpless incident to different people, then everyone's eyes became wild. Brother of Khorang Debarma, Jitendra Debarma, gave a few statements revolving the incident.
Anbung khaji Jitendra Debarma.
Nó takuk busu.
Chen takuk tan.
Nin bawon bung khai.
Bawon bung khai nandra.
Nin tai takuk ni bai borotong.
Munai khai ko don mare para wo tongo. Tai kha bongsi para tongo.
Bongsi para tong bung tamo.
Khorang Debarma.
Nini darani busa ngkhepe je asai mani Khorang ni. Busa palok ba phali mar hor mana kuya.
Abo phamar to phalja ta abo to tatar saimiya bajo saimiya ba soito nong no. Ekta khai tamlai ba mase amman ye ba. Ene palong dar dikhe bidi mar hoja kha khai o tarane ro khai jagoi. Ai 2-3 rang kam tha ga hin khnabo. Asun ta iko.
Emne
busa anoro phayu sango phai tham ba kya. Munai an ba ma to ba kha beroi. Caranya ang kharme japuno ta chang hai ni no ko mar ma sa krei to no no ko rei wati phai ba wati sin no khung sang tong mo sa tung sin no khung ang bu hon to la ba bom to no kri kha ku sam bule mo ta hai cha ne ta hu to ni a ti hin a ri ma ro gra ha munai de an pa tong hoi ba ang ulo an pa pi ke ba ang klaya ne ang man ga ne ne sa ba ja wo ana
Nini
amo ta cham sana ba.
Nin dar da sabe ni basai.
Bazi bisa ka dar bisa ka.
O nin dar sang phaicha.
An oro iko no ko hotam thu thang ta.
Na ko hotam thu chang ka.
Go.
Aisa
Ka asu sim dam ne kai. Nin no bu kre hu bu kre ke an bu hin ha na cha. Mo nu khum kre mo u sa no ba phai bro al khu ula kha to ni si cha kha. Nga nok ta na bo yan sa na pai le nu pai le ke ba nok ta na thom kre. A bi he tai bar bo an oro sa ba jang kai.
Em nin dar tam samro khai.
Dara khai ko mui khun thiri ro ta ri phalo.
Cherai tabur ho mane. Bonno ko hor oro dar hor ya khai ba bajaga.
Or ya ab ga ayeng gosi bongsi parat to puro.
Bongsi parau no cherai hor.
Ayeng ro hor ngrau ta.
Tal busing khau cherai.
Abo hugai ko mo tal hasi gul kai kho tal hasi kai kho. O thai mong baro ba mane. Nga tin tam ba tin to
Bishodbar.
tin bushbar.
Mongolbar ke budbar bushibar sukubar shonibar raibar bodina ba
Mong baro
bawi ko din pare hoka
no sarsa.
salsan pare hoka
Ta jang hanya ba a man ne ma sa ya ba. To no bu no ko sma to da mane no ha punya ba. Bun ga tin no ki mi si. Ta bu hi ko sa ta khlai sanga pu ga ba. Ko sa ba ja si pu.
busuk chala ora bai bang para
Salu salma khai he prai 2-3 meter singana.
Minister Vikas Debarma, along with the delegation from the CDPO office, went to the location after the news of the incident circulated throughout the area. Later, a delegation from the CDPO office went to investigate the incident to find the child and return her to her mother's arms.
Norogni je hapangni samung kahamni bothai sobki chat sobki Vikas ni disaya samung tangmani kreng thayano sung o mangpleti sewo mano piaba nini mungia kami RD block habanok bane khobjak badrai kami bo je ব্যক্তির নাম খকেন্দ্র দেববর্মা থানায় সাপ্তাহ টংথাই নক কুরই হেনই সাগনি বসানো নারকমালিয়া টংথাই নক করে ফালাই মারহর 30,000 বিনিময়ে রাংবাই অবরগনি নলেজ দং
মতো আং খরায়ক নিন থানিন তা খরাকা মো আং তজন্ত খানায় কিন্তু আং থাজিং নকপ সামনি আং বারবানো ন সাও যে जों बिसिङाव थांगासिनो तो बिसिङाव थाङो नगो चिनि बरर कागज पर्यन्त ग्रै बिनि बनर हिनानि पर्यन्त कागज करे आबाने बगैनो मुते हाय जे तिनि Chini borok sujug na di kagos nam di kagos riman kore nono sujug subidar কিন্তু angmon nung tak samane ang tojonto khainai bahai ke bosa phalka butike phalka tam phalka mo sosto babe ang tojonto khainai tabung no ang CDPO no order nai khanane bisingo mo report mari nai singo SDM samno sanai mo report no collection khaina bagai borok singnayo mutino je norong ne bising dike ching siu norong bising disa tebok samane nok kore hukre jara ching chini sarkar nok kore hukre no bagai no je muti প্রশাসনিক যে সুবিধা নানা বাgai abane bagai no ang nong bising te ang koi barbar koi যারা নক করে হুক করে যারা সুযোগ সুবিধা মায়া ফাইদি না ফাইদি নক করে হিঙ্গা নক করে মা সানাই নং নিনি কাগজ তুবি মা ফাইনাই যতনি বাগাই দङ सबका साथ सबका विकास অন্তদয়নি সরকার অন্তদয় মানে যতনি সাই উকলক লাইজাকনি বরংনি বাগাইছি যে গরি বরং বাগাইছি जों नाय আবানি বাগাইনা आं नों बिसिंथै बेलाय बेलाय हामबाय आं खरानि बिसिङाव आं मन तजन्त खायना बेलाय हामबाय
Side by side, the question is raised. How is this good governance, where children are sold due to scarcity? Is India really developed? How is Tripura the best Tripura, where even 1.5-day-old baby girls are sold for 30,000 rupees? However, sensation has spread in Mungiakami area around the whole incident. Reported by Hiran Moy from Telemura, Chini Khorang.